Hari ini tanggal 28 November 2024, kami delegasi Aceh Sumatera National Liberation Front hari ini berada di sebuah gedung yang megah, yang mewah, dan ini adalah gedung resmi yang kita pakai hari ini juga untuk esok. Acara hari ini dimulai pukul 10 waktu di Jenewa dan berakhir sampai pukul 14.30. Sama-sama kita ketahui, delegasi Aceh Sumatera National Liberation Front kali ini juga kita menghadirkan seorang diplomat muda atas nama Roni Saputra yang juga tinggal di Denmark. Roni Saputra merupakan diplomat muda yang masih muda belia, dan beliau adalah juga beberapa kali juga mengikuti training-training di UNPO dan siap kita terjunkan ke acara-acara forum yang resmi seperti ini.
I call on Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front, Asnlf.
Thank you. I'm honored to speak the representation of Acehese in traditional and social media. Aceh at the northern tip of Sumatra carries immense cultural and historical significance. Yet for decades, the Acehese have faced systemic misrepresentation, marginalization, and neglect. Our narratives of resilience and right are too often overshadowed, disordered, or ignored. Media in Indonesia frequently reduces minority like Acehese to harmful stereotype, while social media algorithms amplify disinformation and polarizing rhetoric. Legal instruments like the Indonesian Electronic Information and Transaction Law and provision of the Criminal Code are often weaponized to silence dissent. These laws suppress Acehese activists, journalists, and civil society, erasing our voices from mainstream narratives and denying us the right to define our identity. Despite these challenges, media hold a transformative potential. Platforms that support minority languages and localized storytelling can counter misinformation, foster pride, and amplify underrepresented voices. Grassroots initiatives led by Acehese youth showcase how digital media can connect communities and combat hate speech. However, legal framework must protect, not undermine, freedom of expression. These Acehese deserve a narrative that celebrates their culture, recognize their contribution, and acknowledge their struggles. In line with Article 19 of the ICCPR, we call for inclusive, ongoing dialogue among stakeholders to create media environment that uplift every voice and reflect the richness of the global society. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Turkey, please.